Well, out here on another big farm. As usual, research indicated there was a house right in this area. Fortunately, the field's a bit high. 1238. 1236. Like right in that area there. So, try to extract that. See what we got. Wow, just like the first time in a long while, the ground's actually easily diggable. As I grunt, just because there's no stones, I mean. Everywhere I've been lately, it's been tough digging. Ooh, look at that button. Well, guess that tells me something. That's a good sign. Yay. Alright, let's keep digging. I don't have much time today. I gotta go back to work, unfortunately. Got a mysterious signal down here. It's in there. Holy Jesus. Well, it can't be that.
Come on, Gary, you're
What
boring.
the heck, Todd?
You're boring me.
I'm bored too.
What do you mean? Is it gone from the bottom?
This stink a little. It can't be that.
Yeah, is it right about a rust around it? It sure can.
I don't know. Maybe.
No?
Good Lord.
Right in the middle of that mess.
Oh, I feel bad. I gotta.
Yeah, you better be planting. You better be doing some planting.
Yeah.
Just barely. Just a little bit.
Is your sensitivity up or down or?
It's up.
What does that go up to?
100.
That does, yeah.
And 90.
Oh man, that's an embarrassing hole.
Yeah, I don't know if you're supposed to.
There it is. Down there.
I think so.
No, it's down there.
Starting to feel like a half of an oil lamp.
Oh man. At this depth, yeah. Holy cow.
Or that. Yep.
Well, that was a deep one. A couple feet from the buckle. Okay, that 1242, crisp and clean. Right here. I had Todd listen to it with his new Deus. See if I can pinpoint it from the surface, maybe. I gotta fix my... Not hearing anything there. That's the kind of hole I like. Let's see what we got down there. I see you around. Oh God, I almost said roundness. I found its little brother.
I guess we'll call this the buckle field.
That's funny. Yeah, so you got that one, and where's the other I just found?
Nice.
Hey. Well.
Do you even have your camera going?
I did.
Oh.
Yeah. You're saying the break off is got to do with it being a coin, perhaps, not just
Not just a piece of crap that's trying to act like a coin.
Okay, so it's not just a pinpoint trick you're talking about.
No, it's just they say when the coil, when you get done doing your wiggle, back, forth, that it just breaks clean.
Okay.
It kind of goes, and no more sound, no nothing. It just stops.
Gotcha.
Aside from a beer can, this is my best signal today.
Button.
Is that round, whatever it is?
Button.
We're probably in the front yard of this house, Gary.
I like the front yard.
I always prefer the front yard. Backyard shit got thrown out the back door. Yeah, borrow your shovel. Mine's too far away.
I hear it.
You take a listen.
Yeah?
Oh no, don't do that.
Oh yeah, I'm picking it up here loud as day.
Are you?
No. I'm kidding.
What do you show?
I'd say right in that area to me.
What do you show for numbers?
It was 1240, 3, 2. I'm recording. Forgot to turn it off.
Is that why?
Yeah.
Huh.
Disappearance signal again? Should be a deep buckle.
It's off the side here a little.
You tend to pinpoint like that quite a bit, so that's going to be a lot easier for you with that thing. That featherweight.
Oh.
Ah!
I just saw a green disc.
Ah!
I just saw a green disc. Bigger than your green disc.
Ah! No, you didn't. Oh, I can see where it was right there.
Yeah. There's definitely a green disc in here somewhere.
Is that it right there? Down there? Oh, no, it's right between your fingers.
Is it between my fingers?
Yeah, it's just dropped on the ground.
There it is. There we go. First large scent for the day. That looks thin. That might be King George.
Yeah, pretty
No,
smooth.
I think it's a large scent.
Large scent. Very cool.
Nice. Oh, there's a head. There's a draped bust.
Cool. All right.
All right.
Yeah.
Nice.
Okay.
Nice. The dais is on the board.
Yep.